Here we go with question 5. T. Marshall's Inc. Well, let's just skip down and see what the problem is asking. What is the expected return? Okay, so I know I'm trying to find expected return. All right, T. Marshall's Inc. stock has a 50% chance of producing a 30% return, a 35% chance of producing a 9% return, and a 15% chance of producing a negative 25% return. All right, so I need to get the weighted average kind of like of each probability and corresponding return. So I'm just going to input my probabilities. 50% return, 50% probability. So 50% probability of a 30% return. I'm going to leave my returns, I'm not going to put them in percentages. I'm only going to use percentages for my probabilities. So now I have a 35% chance of a 9% return. Finally, I have a 15% chance of a negative 25% return. Okay, so in order to get my weighted average of each, I simply multiply the percentage or the probability by the actual rate of return for that particular probability. All right, so this is going to equal 50% times that. Okay, I'm going to do that for all of these. A little Excel tip. I could continue to do that, or I could just drag all these down. Okay, so now I have all of my weighted returns, and I can just add all of these up. And when I add all of them up, I get 14.4%. So my answer choice would be C. So remember, get the weighted average of each return and sum them up to get the expected return.